Good evening, students. Good evening, all of you. In our last session, we learnt vowel sounds. Now, in this session, we are going to learn consonantal sounds. We already learnt there are 20 vowel sounds. In these vowel sounds, we have 12 pure vowels and 8 diphthongs. Now we are going to learn consonantal sounds. There are 24 consonantal sounds. In our last class, we learnt some sounds we are using every day and some peculiar sounds we haven't found in Telugu language, and those sounds we learnt and practiced it. Now we are also going to learn consonantal sounds. Maximum sounds we use regularly. There are no any mistakes in pronouncing that sounds, but some sounds are there. You must learn to rectify our pronunciation mistakes. Now, consonantal sounds. We have 24 consonantal sounds. First one, P, as in pen. Daily we use that pen, pencil, paper, people, like that. P, we are right, just like Pa in our Telugu. P, pen, like that. Next one is B. B, ba. In our Telugu we have that sound ba. Bank, ball, ba. And another sound T. T. In our Telugu we have ta, but some precaution must be taken in pronouncing that T. T. In T, we use it to bend our tongue and release the sound like teacher, teacher. But in English, we have to straighten our tongue to the hard tooth reed. పంటి పైభాగానికి నాలుకను స్ట్రైట్ చేయాలి. అదే తెలుగు లాంగ్వేజ్లో అయితే నాలుకను మడతపెట్టి ఆ వాక్యాన్ని మనం ఆ పదాన్ని రిలీజ్ చేస్తున్నాం, సౌండ్ని. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ టీచర్. టీచర్ మన అంగిటిని తాకి నాలుక బయటకు వస్తుంది మడతపడి. బట్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ వీ మస్ట్ బి కేర్ఫుల్ ఇన్ ప్రొనౌన్సింగ్ టీ. టీచర్, టెంపుల్. దట్ మీన్స్ అవర్ టంగ్ మస్ట్ బి స్ట్రైటెన్ టు అవర్ హార్డ్ టూత్ రీచ్. ఆ పంటి పల్లవరుసలో ఉన్నటువంటి ఆ పల్లవరుసలో ఉన్నటువంటి ఆ హార్డ్ ప్లేస్ని స్ట్రైట్ చేస్తూ ఆ వర్డ్ రావాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ద పెక్యులర్ థింగ్. టీచర్, టెంపుల్, టైగర్, టీ. ఐ వాంట్ టు టేక్ టీ. ఐ హ్యావ్ టీ. టీ, నాట్ టీ. నాలుగు బెండ్ అవ్వకూడదు, స్ట్రైట్గా ఉండాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ద థింగ్. టీచర్, టెంపుల్, లైక్ దట్. నౌ డి. Da, dog, donkey, like that. Next one is cat, 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 like that. Ka, we have that sound in Telugu. Ka guduntanlo vachestadi. So we are not doing any mistake here. Now coming to next one, G. G means get. Ga, guduntam, get, gun, game, like that. Now coming to, I introduce from here some peculiar sounds. That is ch, ch. In Telugu we have cha, cha, but here in English we pronounce cha. That means చ. చ అంటే టా నుంచి జారి ఛ ఛ. నాట్ చ, ఛ ఛ. చర్చ్, chin, chair, chair, like that. Ch. that symbol ch. Next coming to j, we used to call it jug mistake, jug da nunchi jarutundi da, jug, not pure jug, because if we pronounce like that, there will be a confusion between Jew and jug. To differentiate in English, jug, J is pronounced like j, judge, jug, judgment, college, not college, college, డా నుంచి జా మీదకి జారినట్టుగా ఉంటుంది సౌండ్ జ. సో వీ హ్యావ్ జగ్, నాట్ యాజ్ యూ సే నాట్ జగ్, జగ్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు డిఫరెన్షియేట్ లైక్ దట్ టు అవాయిడ్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ జే అండ్ జెడ్. నౌ అనదర్ సౌండ్ ఈజ్ ఫ్యాన్. Fa. There is no mistake. You are pronouncing well. Fan, fat, fable, like that. Next word is van. We are all doing well. There are no any mistakes. Van, van. Next one is thin. In mathematics we have theta. Just like that symbol is like that. Like this. Thin, thing, nothing. Next, the. Next sound is the. Then, then, then. That should be like this. Then, the. Then, the. We have tha, we have the. Tha is like theta, da is like just here like this. The, then. These are all the pronunciation symbols we found in dictionaries while learn how to pronounce the words. These are the important symbols we must learn to avoid mistakes in pronunciation. So we must be careful. Next one is yes, you are right. What we are doing in Telugu already, we are pronouncing well. We are doing well, no problem. Coming to some peculiar sounds, we are doing mistakes. Those symbols we have to learn. Next, sun, S-O-N, sun, S-U-N, sun, sa. Yes, sa. Next, jed, Jew, zoology, zoology, like that, Jew. Next, another peculiar sound, sha. In Telugu we have sa, sha, ship. It emits a sha sound in English. Just మన గేలముల్లా ఉంటుందన్నమాట. అది ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేసేది ఎలా చేస్తుందంటే షా, షిప్, SHIP, షిప్. Like that. Next sound is ja, measure, 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 pleasure, treasure. Just that sound gives us j. We have that word also in Telugu. J, pleasure, measure, treasure, pleasure, like that. Now another sound is H. We have ha sound in Telugu also. HAND, hand. HUT, hut. HALL, hall, like that we pronounce that, those sounds like that, H sound. Now another sound also we have no any trouble, that is M sound, M, man, mat, like that. And also another consonantal sound is there, N is equal to net, NET, net. NAP, nap, NUT, nut, like that, na sound. Another peculiar sound we didn't have in Telugu, that is king. That means it is like E, it is like this one, like this releases sound in nasal sound. Nasal sound, while even we close your mouth and release that sound like king. Even we close your mouth, we release that sound through nose, and these are called nasal sounds. Nasal sounds. So we have that peculiar sound, that is KING, king. NOTHING, nothing. King, like that. 21 sound, that is L, leg, leg. We have already in Telugu leg, light, like that. And another sound is R, red, R-E-D, red, like that. And 23rd sound comes to yes. It appears like J, word J, but it gives us ya sound. Yes, yellow, like that. And last and 24th sound, that was W sound. That was water. W sound. And so, coming to all 24 sounds, we have 5 or 6 some peculiar sounds we must learn with care. And that one is T sound. While pronouncing T sound, we stretch our tongue. We should not pronounce that word like T in our Telugu T we release by bend our tongue and touch, that is a palate, soft palate. And in English we shouldn't do like that. We have to straighten our tongue and release ta sound. Teacher, temple, tea. I want to take some tea, temple, like that. And coming to another peculiar sound, chin, 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 chairman, like that. Another peculiar sound is J, judge, judgment, like that. Ja. And another peculiar sound is thin, ta, and tha and da. Tha and da release from our mouth in this way. That is, we have to put out our tongue outside to some extent like this, thin. Then, tha, da release like that. We have to release those sounds, so tha and da, like we have to put our tongue, tongue ending through our teeth outside. Nothing, thing, then, like that. Then our tip of our tongue appears outside and releases the sound. It comes out to some little extent, not completely. And that we release that sound like thing, nothing, something, thing. Thank you very much, thank you. In Telugu, we have no trouble like that. We release that sound like thank you, like that, keeping our tongue inside. But coming to our English, that tha and the release by putting our tongue outside. That is thing. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And also like that, then I was a young boy, a child. Then, there. Tha, the release like that. You don't forget that. And next one is sa, sun. Jed, Jew. Here also we have another peculiar sound, that is sha sound. Sha. Telugu we have sha, ship. And this symbol is like just in our Telugu, galamullu akaranlo, yes akaranlo untadi, chinna galamullu akaranlo untadi. That symbol gives the sound of sha in English, ship. And another sound we didn't find in Telugu, that is j, means pleasure, treasure, like that. And also we have hand, h sound, and also man, m sound, and net, n sound, no problem at all. But coming to another one, nasal sound, ing, king, k-n-g, king, kingu అనకూడదు, king, ring, sing, ring, king, not kingu and sing, like that. Sing, ring, king, nothing, something, like that. And all other sounds you know well. L, leg, R, red. Yes, also Y sound, we have a word like J. It appears like J sound, but it gives us ya sound. And the last one is W sound, water, not water, water, like that. These are all 24 sounds, and already we learnt 20 vowel sounds. Now we came to learn 24 consonantal sounds. Coming to this symbols notes, I distribute you through your class WhatsApp groups. I shall distribute these sounds. Then you have any doubts, and call me, or in WhatsApp group also I clarify your doubts. These are all total phonemic sounds, 20 vowel sounds, 24 consonantal sounds. Total we have 44 sounds. Dear students, we all know, because of COVID, we are learning, we are taking online classes. It is new to us, new to our lecturers also, and try to concentrate on studies, because we don't know when our college's classes starts working. So don't waste your time, and go to our college YouTube channel, and lectures from all groups, commerce, zoology, physics, everyone giving lectures, lessons. Follow those lessons carefully. And in our next class, I want to give you presentation skills. We already learned phonemic sounds, and next class, next session, we take up presentation skills. Thank you.